Good morning everyone. Today video is going to see fifth lesson alkaline and alkaline earth metals. Now discuss about topic important compounds of calcium, quicklime, calcium oxide. First one preparations. It is produced on a commercial scale by heating limestone in a lime kiln in the temperature range 1070 to 1270 Kelvin. Calcium carbonate, equilibrium reactions, calcium oxide, additional product, calcium carbonate. The reaction being reversible carbon dioxide is removed as soon as it is produced to enable the reaction to produce two completions. First one properties. Calcium oxide is a white amorphous solid. It has a melting point of 2870 Kelvin. It absorbs moistures and carbon dioxide on exposed to atmospheres. For these one reactions, calcium carbonate, the additional of a limited amount of water breaks the lump of lime. This process is called slaking of lime and the product is slaked lime. Calcium oxide added to water, product calcium hydroxides. Quick lime mixed with soda gives solid soda lime. See the picture. It combines with acetic oxides such as silicon dioxide and phosphorus pentaoxides to form calcium silica trioxides, respectively. See the diagram. First of all, limestones and gold mixtures include the quick lime preparations of quick lime, the wastewater gas, waste gas, carbon dioxide, remove up to top is the waste gas remove, fuel gases, air in gases, lime out. This is process of quick lime stone, preparations of quick lime stones. This calcium oxide includes silica dioxides, the additional product of calcium silica trioxide. Calcium oxide it is used manufactured cement, moderator and glasses. It is used in the manufacture of sodium carbonate and slaked lime. It is the purification of sugar and drying agents. Then calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide is preparations. What is prepared by calcium hydroxide? Calcium hydroxide is prepared by adding adding water to quick lime calcium oxide. The next one properties of it is a white powder. It is sparingly soluble in water. The aqueous solutions and down as known as lime water and a suspensions of slaked lime in water is known as milk of lime. When carbon dioxide is passed through lime water, it turns milky due to the formations of calcium carbonate. Calcium hydroxide added carbon monoxide product calcium carbonate additional solutions water molecule. On passing excess of carbon dioxide, the precipitated dissolved to form calcium hydrogen carbonate. Calcium carbonate added carbon dioxide added water molecules product calcium bicarbonate. Milk of lime reacts with chlorine to form hypochlorite, a constituent of bleaching powder. Calcium hypochlorite, a constituent of bleaching powder. Two molecules of calcium hydroxide, chlorine added, calcium chloride, calcium hypochlorite, water molecules. Calcium hydroxide, uses of calcium hydroxide. It is preparations of moderator, building materials, and whitewash. Third one point in glass making in turning industries in the preparations of bleaching powder and for the purification of sugars. Another one topic gypsum. Gypsum molecular formula CaSO4 dot 2H2O. Gypsum is used also manufacture of cement. Gypsum vents were formed due to the evaporations of water from the massive uh, AC beans. When water evaporates, the minerals present in it become concentrated and crystalline. Properties of gypsum. Gypsum is soft material which is moderately soluble in water. The solubility of these minerals in water, this is known as retrograde solubility, which is a distinguishing characteristic of gypsum. Gypsum is usually white, colorless, or gray in color, but sometimes it can also be found in the shades of pink, yellow, brown, and light green, mainly due to the presence of impurities. Gypsum crystals are sometimes found to occur in a form that resembles the petals of a flower. This type of formation is referred to as desert rose, as the mostly occurs in arid areas or desert sites. Gypsum is known to have low thermal conductivity, which is the reasons why it is used in making dry walls. Gypsum is known to have low thermal conductivity. Gypsum is also known as natural insulators. Gypsum has hardness between 1.5 to 2 on Mohs hardness scale. Its specific gravity is 2.3 to 2.4. Use of gypsum. Gypsum is used in making drywalls or plaster boards. Plaster boards are used as the finish for walls and for uh, partitions. Another important uses of gypsum is the productions of plasters of Paris. Very very important. Another important use of gypsum is the productions of plasters of Paris. Gypsum is heated to about 300 degree to produce plasters of Paris, which is also known as gypsum plasters. It is mainly used as the sculpting materials. Sculpting materials. The silai, so the sculpting materials. Gypsum is used in making surgical and orthopedic cast. It is mainly used as a curb plating materials. Gypsum is used in making surgical and orthopedic castics such as surgical splints and casting models. Gypsum is plays an important role in agriculture as a soil additive conditioner and fertilizers. It helps loosen up compact or clay soil and provides climb on sulfurs which are essential for the healthy growth of a plant. It can also be used for removing sodium from soil having excess salinity. Gypsum is used in toothpaste, shampoos, and hair products mainly due to its binding and thickening properties. One, gypsum is a component of Portland cement. Already discussed, gypsum is used manufacture of cement. This gypsum is a component of Portland cement, where it act as a handling reductor to control the speed at which concrete sets concrete sets and the speed and the concrete sets of the speeds return to control the speed at which concrete sets. Then another one, to sum up, gypsum is one of the most important minerals that have endless uses and applications. Meaning of gypsum is simple and easy as the minerals. Mining minerals occurs in large thin beds near the Earth's surface. However, a large-scale mining of gypsum involves considerable damage to the environment. Gypsum can also be recycled, but not much importance has been given to recycle these minerals due to this importance. Use of gypsum. See the pictures. Toothpaste, use of toothpaste, shampoos, agriculture fertilizers, gypsum plasters, wall and floor designs, potents minerals, cements, casting models, etc. The alabaster variety of gypsum was used in ancient Egypt and Mesopotamia by the sculptors.